Well, a lot of times they're looking to solve a problem, and we can fit that bill.
Well, we're a job shop, so we manufacture a lot of different components.
We are manufacturers of custom machined products.
All the machines are designed to accommodate configurations of different species of parts, so whatever the customer wants, we can produce it.
Call Weber, Florida's best screw machining.
One of the good things about working with Weber Manufacturing is we are a woman-owned business.
I think the reason we're good is because we have a capability that other companies don't have. We have CNC screw machine, we have Brown & Sharp single spindles, and we're also able to grind. We can centerless and cylindrically grind product. We've had customers that have called up and said, we need these parts really quick because the company that we had is unable to produce it for whatever reason, and can we help them out?
Here at Weber, we always say, if we can deliver quality on time, everybody wins.
Oh, and we want to work extra hard
to save you money.
We're not afraid to save you money. It's one of our goals, so.
I do work hard to save you money.
Don't pay for ordinary. Weber is your cost-effective precision machining powerhouse. From the intricate to the immense, when you need tolerance and the tens of millions range, we can grind precision into your parts. All in-house, all in the family. That's Weber Precision Machining.